Welcome to Indian Defence Institute, where dreams earn stripes. Our institute offers world-class defence coaching for NDA, CDSE, AFCAT and SSB, with expert faculty, modern facilities and a focus on discipline and excellence. At Indian Defence Institute, we offer state-of-the-art smart classes designed to provide an interactive learning experience. Our modern classrooms are equipped with the latest technology to ensure that every student stays ahead in the learning curve. Our library is a treasure trove of knowledge, packed with an extensive collection of books, study materials, and digital resources, giving our students the competitive edge they need to succeed. At Indian Defence Institute, we understand the importance of physical fitness in shaping disciplined officers. Our physical training sessions are led by experienced trainers who ensure that our students are always battle-ready, mentally and physically. At Indian Defence Institute, your success is our mission. Join us today and take the first step towards serving the nation with pride and honor.